Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make a 20-minute sausage tray bake using your air fryer. It's absolutely delicious. It's just got a few simple ingredients in it and it's perfect for during the summer for something different to eat where you can just throw everything into a tray and cook it in the air fryer. So you may be wondering, what do you need to make this sausage tray bake? Already got some veg prepped here, so we've got sweet potato in here, red peppers and some courgette. And then I've got my supply of other ingredients as well. So I've got some sausages. I'm not planning on using all of those, it's just come like that packaged. Some tomato and garlic puree, paste if you're in the US or Australia. And then we've got some dried thyme, some harissa paste, oregano and some salt and pepper. So it's very much a simple selection of ingredients. So first of all, let's focus on the vegetables. So into the tray they all are already. So you want to salt them, you want to pepper them, you don't want to drop the pepper everywhere, and then a bit of oregano, a bit of thyme. And then we're going in with our purees now. So a bit of garlic puree, a bit of tomato puree, and then I'm going to get a spoon out now for the harissa. And then I'm just going to use up this jar, which is about 3 and a bit teaspoons. So just over a tablespoon there. So that's all the main ingredients in there. We're just going to add in a little bit of olive oil as well. Not much, just a little bit. And then you can get your hands in. Give it a good mix. And this is also loosely based on a couple of 20-minute sausage style tray bakes that we've actually got in our new cookbook, Air Fry Easy Every Day. We have a page and we've got the traditional sausage and peppers recipe and then a variation for one that's quite similar to this, but I've decided to add some harissa to it because I had loads of harissa left over from some previous recipes, and I just wanted to show you just how simple it is to vary your recipes. You don't have to cook them exactly how we have. They just give you an idea of where to get started with the air fryer. So I'm just going to wipe my hands and we can get them on. So because the veg is generally under the sausages, they normally take a little bit longer in the air fryer. It's got a good mix on it. So I'm just going to get these on their own. 5 minutes. For 5 minutes at 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then we can add in the sausages and then it'll come together beautifully. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped! So, shall we add in the sausages? And look at that already. It's already looking fantastic. So I'm just going to get a spoon because it's really easy mixing a spoon in these foil trays. I just love the smell of the harissa. It's just so nice. So I've got my sausages, and then what you can do, I'm using chipolatas here because they're lovely and small and you can fit them so well. So there we go. So how many have I put in there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sausages. So that's 10 chipolatas. So I know they come in a pack of 12, but you know, I just like some sausages reheated on their own, so I'm sure the others will get used there. And then once you've done that, those are ready to go back on. And we're going now with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 15 minutes, and then we should be done. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our sausage tray bake? on. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? I mean, oh wow. You just want to eat that, don't you? And it's just brilliant how good the sausages come along in the air fryer. And if you want a quick 20 minutes sausage tray bake, then remember chipolatas are much quicker cooking compared to regular sausages. And they take even less time if you're doing them directly in the air fryer. This is just because they're on top of vegetables in a foil tray. And oh wow, look at the veg, it's just brilliant. Of course, if you like your veg crispier, you can be loading up the sausages onto your plate now and then just giving them an extra couple of minutes. But I just really like them just like this. They're just absolutely fantastic and so easy for an everyday recipe using your air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.